Mrs. Coryell's class.
Good morning, Mr. Pottinger.
Today we finished 6.2 attributes or descriptors of two-dimensional shapes. Can you identify and define 2D shapes and their parts?
Yes.
Sure. All right. First two words, closed shape and open shape. I'm going to have you read those on your own and you can figure out what they are. They are exactly what they say they are. A polygon, a closed 2D shape, made it from line segments that never cross. Great. Concave. A concave polygon is a polygon that has what in it?
Yes.
It's caved in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. A convex polygon doesn't have a dent in it. Instead, it has things that are sticking out. So if you look at that, it looks like the shape is like jutting outwards. Also, though, this is where it gets tricky. A regular old polygon, something that does not have anything dented or sticking out, is also considered what? Say again?
Convex.
Convex. Okay. What do these things mean? Congruent markers. And what does congruent mean?
Same.
The same. So this is saying this side, this side, this side, and this side of that polygon are all the same, right?
Yes.
What does this mean?
Right angle.
So all of these are right angles?
Yeah.
How much do right angles measure?
90.
What are these things then? They're also congruent markers, but they're not telling us the sides are the same. They're telling us that the...
Angles.
Say again?
Angles.
Angles are the same. Okay, cool. Congruent means the same. We got that one. Parallel. Are these two lines parallel?
Yes.
Yeah, they'll never cross, right? Are these two lines parallel?
No.
No, they eventually will cross each other, right?
Yes.
Cool. Key it up too, so you guys are pretty good at those. Ooh, what do these mean? What do these two arrows pointing in the same direction mean?
Parallel markers.
It's telling me that this line and this line are parallel, right?
Yes.
So they will never ever cross each other, will they? No. Question. Is this angle the same measurement as this angle?
No.
No. Why? Is this angle marker the same as this angle marker?
No.
No. Is this angle the same as this angle?
Yes.
Are the angle markers the exact same?
Yes.
Yeah, so we still call them congruent markers, but sometimes we have to have more than one depending on shape. Let's move down here. If you have a three-sided shape, what do we call that?
Triangle.
What does the word tri mean?
Three.
If you have a four-sided shape, what do we call that?
Quadrilateral.
What does quad mean?
Four.
If you have an eight-sided shape, what do we call that?
Octagon.
What does oct mean?
8.
So the name of the shape of a polygon generally tells you how many... Last thing, if I give you a shape, are there a whole bunch of different ways that you could describe its attributes?
Yes.
So like this shape has all of these attributes, yes?
Yes.
We cool?